I love candles. Aren't they so amazing? Here. You know where candles come from?
Beeswax.
Nature.
Oh.
There's beeswax in the nature, I bet.
Yeah.
You know, they have to destroy nature in order to make candles.
They do.
Maybe we should make candles. Let's destroy nature.
We should.
Yeah, man, I literally love nature.
I know, man. Nature's just so amazing.
I love nature, man.
I love nature too.
Literally, it rocks.
Literally.
Peace
There's
out.
rocks in nature.
I know, like rocks rock.
Me too. I'm so glad no one's destroyed this part of nature yet.
I know, I would literally
And we
be
can
like,
just live in the nature.
I would be so sad. I love like chilling out here, you know, at night.
And
looking up
nature's
the
just so
stars.
amazing.
Oh, I hate nature.
I
Nature's...
hate it too.
Yeah, why do you hate nature?
You see, I had this dog. His name was Cricket. He ran off into nature. Never saw him again. And then my brother, his name was Bobby, ran off trying to find Cricket. Never saw him again.
Ah, that darn nature.
Yeah, nature never do me any good. Now, why do you hate nature?
Wait, why do you hate nature?
Why do you hate nature?
Well, you see, I was raised by wolves, but I was also raised by beavers,
Ah, I see.
and they abandoned me one day, and they left me to be a wolf beaver all on my own, and then I had to leave nature because nature hates me and rejected me.
Oh no,
So,
I'm sorry. I hate nature.
stupid nature. I hate you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, nature broke my stitch. This is for
Ah.
my buddy.
This is for the beavers. Justice Beaver. Grr.
Justice Beaver. This
Justice-
is for you.
No, he's part of nature too.
I hate you, Justice Beaver.
Stupid
This
Justice
is for
Beaver.
you.
No justice for Justice Beaver.
Grr. Angry words.
I love nature,
It's so
man.
amazing.
Oh my goodness. It's literally, it makes my heart warm. Nature.
We hate nature.
Oh.
What do you mean you hate nature?
Nature's so not good and stuff.
What, nature?
Where did
is
you
like-
even come from?
Stupid nature.
You came from not nature.
Yeah.
Where did you come from? Where did you come from?
We came from
go?
the non-nature place.
Cotton Eye Joe.
No, you're wrong. Beavers.
Beavers are
love
bad.
beavers.
And
No.
dams.
Beavers are dumb and stuff.
We
Especially
love
Justice.
beavers.
They're my friends. I have a beaver named Sally.
And I have one named
she's-
Jeffrey.
Oh no.
You have them?
No,
They'll
we don't
abandon
own
you.
them.
We don't own
We don't
them.
own them.
That's
I'm sorry.
animal cruelty.
No.
I hate animals.
They're gonna abandon you just like they abandoned me.
And me.
Did
Justice
you punch
Beaver
a
used
tree?
to be my
Stupid
friend.
tree. Punch that tree. Ah.
I can't believe they just pushed us and ran away.
I know, that literally hurt, man. It's not cool.
Literally.
Why do they hate nature so much?
I don't know. I have an idea.
What's your idea?
I think that we should just explain to them nicely how amazing nature is.
That's a good idea, man. We can like take them on hikes,
Far
you know? Yes, dude.
Yeah.
First, I think I
I
need
can
to
still
do.
see them.
Okay, I'm gonna do some meditation to calm myself down before. Alright, man. I'm pretty chill now.
Really chill.
Alright. Let's go do this.
Are you a dam? 'Cause beaver.
Darn beavers, alright.
Those beavers. They ruined everything. I would be a real boy if those stupid beavers didn't get in the way.
Yeah.
Hey, lady and gentleman.
We're
What?
gonna show you why it's not cool to be mean to the nature.
Well, the nature's already mean.
You need to chill out. Accept it with all its glory.
Accept nature.
Nature forgives me?
Look at
Whoa.
this water.
Maybe nature's not that bad
If
after
you
all.
didn't have this water, you would be dead.
Hey,
What?
guys, come
Hey.
with us. Let us show you how amazing
Okay.
nature truly
Let's
is.
go look at that nature.
Walk around.
So, did y'all enjoy your hike?
Yeah, I guess it was pretty cool.
Yeah, really. It was far out.
Nature, am I right?
Wow.
So don't you understand now that hurting nature is wrong?
It's not right.
You know what? I think I understand. What we did was wrong.
I know. I regret all of those decisions I made, all those words I said. I'm glad you've learned your lesson.
Yeah, beavers are pretty cool.
They are. So you see, nature is pretty rad. And if you're mean to it, well, that's pretty bad. Be nice to nature. Don't destroy nature. Oh my gosh!
So you see,
Don't destroy nature.
because that's bad.
Be kind to the environment.
And don't destroy it.
Don't do it.
Yeah! We're trying to change the world one Dahrnn man at a time.